and let there be light. And there was light. Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lexi Wangu. In case you're new here, karibu. Please join the family by clicking on that subscription button and the notification bell as well, so you don't miss out on new videos from me. What are we talking about today? This skin. I have breakouts all over my face, my forehead, have a look. I need to get my skin clear, I need to get my skin even, I need to get my skin to just look good. Is that too much hard to ask for? Is that too much hard? Is that too much to ask for? So I decided to purchase the Garnier products again because they worked for me before. Therefore, I went on Jumia, took advantage of the sale that they're having. They're really having like amazing sales. You get products even up to 50% off. And especially the Garnier products, the masks, oh my goodness, you guys just go check them out. I'm going to be sharing with you guys the products that I have purchased. I'm really looking forward to clearing my skin because what Garnier is known for, most of their products are usually labeled even skin tone, even in matte skin tone. So let's put the Garnier products into test. I'll be using these products for the next 3 weeks continuously, consistently, to see if they really do what they say they do, and that is get rid of dark marks and dark spots, make my skin even. The first product that I purchased is the Vitamin C cleansing foam. This is pretty much similar to the other product that they have, the even in matte cleansing foam, but the difference is I think they've added vitamin C and maybe other ingredients. Typically this is like my nighttime skincare routine. I go directly to use this product, that is if I haven't like worn any makeup, but if I have makeup I'll definitely remove the makeup first. But sahi venye skin yangu ina behave hivi, oh my goodness, I'm not wearing any makeup until I clear whatever this is like. So normally I just go in with my cleanser for 60 seconds, making sure that I massage it and get rid of any dirt or oils that are on my skin, just to, get my skin clean. And yeah, another thing that I've come to pick along the way in my skincare routine is using a damp or a wet towel and just wipe off the cleanser, because it really makes my work easier. If you find it a bit difficult to wash your face on the sink with a lot of water, it gets messy, just use a damp towel or a wet towel to wipe the cleanser off first, and then later on just splash some water on your face and rinse the extra cleanser off your face. Okay, so I just cleansed my face and this is how it looks. One important thing that you should look at when looking for a facial cleanser is, does it strip your skin off? As in, you're supposed to find a gentle cleanser that won't strip your skin off. So for you to know if a cleanser strips your skin off, what you should do is, after cleansing your face and tapping it dry with a clean towel, let your skin sit for 2 to 3 minutes, dry up, and if you feel like as if your skin is too tight, it's kind of irritating, it's kind of sometimes even itchy, that is not a good cleanser. That means that the cleanser is stripping your skin. So for this vitamin C cleansing foam, I have used it on my face, rinsed my face off and just let it dry up for approximately 2 minutes to see whether it's stripping my skin or not. And honestly, I feel like my skin is a little bit dry, especially around my nose area, and when I look at it, I can actually see like my skin. Do you know when you get a sunburn and then your skin is kind of like, I don't know, like nika cracks or something? That is what I'm seeing around this nose area. And overall I feel kind of dryish kidogo, as opposed to when I use this simple moisturizing face wash. I never get this drying effect afterwards. I usually just feel like my skin is still hydrated, and that is not the case for the vitamin C Garnier cleansing foam. Anyway, so after this I do go in with this product, the Garnier Micellar water, still with vitamin C. And actually most of the products that I'm using right now, or rather the products that I purchased from Garnier, most of them are infused with vitamin C, and the reason for that is I wanted, vitamin C acts as an antioxidant. For the Garnier products, most of the products claim to give you a result of an even and matte skin tone, so that is what I looked for while purchasing these products. Okay, so with the cotton wool, that much. So that is how my skin looks like after using the Garnier Skin Active Micellar water, the one that is infused with vitamin C. I actually don't feel anything, like any irritation, anything itchy. I just feel like my skin is back to, you know, being hydrated, as opposed to when I used the cleanser, it left my skin a little bit dry, but this one has kind of like returned the moisture in my skin, and you can actually see I'm a little bit glowing, and that is one thing that vitamin C is known for. So I'm really hoping to, I'm just hoping that these products work. 3 weeks. We have 3 weeks to know whether these products work. Hi. All right. Definitely going in with a moisturizer. But before we talk about a moisturizer, let me introduce you to something totally new that I'm trying out from Garnier. And this is the vitamin C serum. Oh my goodness. So I'm really excited to try this product out. I'm not sure if I'm going to try it out on this step because I feel like I have used a lot of vitamin C already, and this is, I feel like it's a bit concentrated. So it comes in this packaging. Don't worry how it looks. Blame this on Jumia. My package came like this. The box was just I don't know, but the product is intact, so I can't complain. On the box it clearly states caution, sun alert. This product may make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Therefore, be certain to apply a broad spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 15 while using this product, and for a week after you discontinue use. So make sure anytime you're using this product, please follow it up with an SPF. You don't want to damage your skin. We don't want that. So I'll be doing a separate video for you guys on this one. Let me know if it's something that you're interested in watching about this product, and also if you have used it, please share your feedback, share your honest review, opinion, and just tell us how this product has worked for you. All right, so for the next step after the micellar water, I'm going in with the Even and Matte Vitamin C Dark Spot Corrector, and this product claims to, I'm just going to read it direct from the package by the way. This unique formulation from Garnier is fast absorbing, non-sticky, highly boosted in vitamin C. So this is the reason why I'm not even going to use the vitamin C serum. Skin is more radiant, smoother, with a healthier appearance day after day. So this product claims to get rid of dark spots within, how long have they indicated? Results in 1 week. I am really going to be strict on that follow-up. 1 week, and I'll update you guys on how my dark spots are behaving. Dark spots. So results in 1 week, it claims to help correct the look of skin imperfection, improves clarity for more even skin tone, and reduce dark marks, and also it boosts radiance. So I'm looking at my skin right now and I'm glowing actually. So I don't know, maybe it's working, maybe it's not, but we shall know after a week or 3, you know. Before I try it out on my face, let me try it out on my hand first of all to, you know, just see the consistency and see how well it blends in. Let's see. Oh, too much. I did too much. Let me just separate this for you. All right, so I have that left, and let's see how well it blends in. Okay, not bad. Yeah, not bad. Alright, it actually dissolves in so well and blends in very quickly and easily, and it's so lightweight. I like it. I think it's ready to go on my face. Caution, sun alert. Where? Hey, it seems like we'll need a lot of sunscreen after using this product because this is kind of scaring me. This product may make your skin more sensitive to the sun, therefore be certain to apply a broad spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 15. I usually feel like 50 SPF gives you more coverage of protection from the sun and the sun rays and everything, and whatever a sunscreen is supposed to do. So just do 50 FPS if you can. If you can't, do 30, it's okay, but wear your sunscreen. Don't skip that step. Apply twice daily to face and neck after cleansing. Smooth a pea-size amount evenly until absorbed, ensuring all dark spots and uneven tone are fully covered. Avoid the eye area. If a product tells you to avoid the eye area, please do avoid the eye area. So this is how my skin looks like after applying the vitamin C dark spot corrector. It really did dissolve well. Like, the application was smooth, it was very light, and I made sure to apply and cover all my dark spots, get that even tone, because that is what it claims to do. But then I don't feel like my face is like, you know, fully moisturized. So I feel like I should go in with a serum, but not the vitamin C serum, a serum from a mask. So I really feel like my face would feel more hydrated if I did a face, or rather a sheet mask on top. I'll be using the Garnier Skin Active Vitamin C. Okay, Junior. This is a vitamin C sheet mask from Garnier, and it's actually really cold. Tip. Keep your sheet masks in the fridge to, you know, just get that cooling effect when applying it. It is so good. You'll thank me later. Try that. Oh, it's actually milky. Oh my goodness. Look at the serum, guys. I don't know if you can see that. This sheet mask. Wow. That is beautiful. I don't know if I can show you that. That's the serum inside, and that is how it looks. This looks like I can eat. The smell, it's not that, it doesn't have too much fragrance, because Garnier, I know you with your fragrance. The tissue mask is infused with milky essence and brightening vitamin C. This mask leaves your skin smooth and bright just after 15 minutes. This milky mask is recommended to be used 3 times a week. After 15 minutes, skin looks more even, radiant, and hydrated. Well, let's see about that, guys. Alrighty, so 15 minutes are over. I can't wait to take this off and see how my skin looks. Damp this, please. So this is how the milk is still on my face. It really is milky, as it says on the package. So I'm just going to rub this in. There's still some white milky serum. It actually reminds me of their toner that they discontinued. It kind of gives me that milky vibe that it had, and oh my god, I feel so refreshed, so moisturized. If you've used this sheet mask before, I will also share your experience with me as well. Still makes your skin sensitive to the sun, so follow it up with an SPF. Please do that. I really don't know why these vitamin C products from Garnier are making skin sensitive towards the sun. Please do follow it up with an SPF. And speaking of SPF, that is the last product that I will be applying, and unfortunately that is not the Garnier product. I'm using a different sunscreen. Since I don't know, have you guys seen a sunscreen from Garnier? If you have, please do, you know, kama kawaida pale chini tuachilie majina, let me know, and let me know if you're using them as well, and tell me your experience, because I don't think I've seen a sunscreen. I don't think Garnier do sunscreens. I'm not sure. I'll be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost 50 FPS, and this is what I've been using for the past 3 weeks. Initially I thought it was, you know, affecting me, but after I discontinued the simple rich replenishing moisturizer, the part that I was telling you guys that, you know, was itchy and all that, it went away. I don't feel that anymore. Well, so after applying the sunscreen, I did realize some white residue around this area of my face. I don't know if it's because of the milky whatever serum from the Garnier sheet mask, or it was just from the sunscreen. I don't know what that was, but it didn't blend well on my skin. Oh my god, look at that. If you use this sheet mask and then follow it up with a sunscreen, like, do you know, get that white whatever that I just had on my skin? Because I don't know what the heck that is. And that was it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it as well. You picked 1 or 2 tips or tricks, you know, on how to do these things. One thing that we have all learned from today on this video is the Garnier Vitamin C products, most of them makes your skin sensitive to the sun. So please, while you are applying this product, do not skip your SPF. If you are interested in watching, or rather seeing, a morning routine that I do, please let me know. I'll do one for you guys. But all in all, I think that was it for today. And click on that subscription button, support your girl, you know, like, comment, share with your friends, so that we can grow together as a family. And until next time, I'll see you guys. Na kama kawaida tunazimanga ta amani stima amani tobe and there was no more light.